Welcome to Tesla Vision. Today we will talk about the most recent Tesla news and updates. Let's get into it right away. Rumors of a potential Tesla factory in the United Kingdom are already in overdrive amidst a brief visit from Tesla boss and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk to Luton, a southeastern town in the country. The technology mogul visited Luton on his way to Germany, where he was set to oversee Tesla Germany operations at the Giga Berlin production facility. Earlier this week, we reported about Musk's visit to Giga Berlin, where production of the next generation Model Y is expected to commence towards the end of the year. However, Techno King decided to jaunt in the UK, according to his plane tracker. The billionaire touched down at Luton Airport in his Gulfstream G650 on the 14th of May. He stayed in the UK for 2 days before loading back up into his private Gulfstream jet and heading off to Berlin-Brandenburg Airport on Sunday. Speculations ramped last weekend about the motives of Mr. Musk's 2-day stay in the UK, and it may have something to do with a possible Tesla Gigafactory there, a plant that could help meet the overwhelming Tesla electric car demand in Europe. Based on a report from The Telegraph, regional authorities, including those in Teesside and West Midlands, were given a 48-hour ultimatum to prepare bids for a 250-hectare site. Interestingly, those in control of the land were never briefed on the purpose of the bids or what company would potentially bid on the land that they had prepared. The discussions with the landowners, along with the rest of the process, were set up by the Office for Investment, a newly formed government office that is mandated to conduct discussions between private foreign investors and the public sector post-Brexit. Nevertheless, speculations concerning a Tesla Gigafactory in the UK have been circulating for quite a while now. Last summer, Mr. Musk reportedly visited a site near Bristol, which spurred the rumors that an American-based electric automaker was in talks with the government to set up an electric vehicle research, development and manufacturing plant there. The speculations gained momentum when the Department for International Trade in the UK confirmed that it was searching for a suitable site on behalf of an electric car maker. DIT did not mention Tesla anywhere in the report. As per the May 2020 report, one business park in Somerset, a county in southwest England, tried to attract Tesla to its 650-acre site, which is a little smaller in acreage than the 740-acre Giga Berlin property, yet comfortably bigger than Tesla's Fremont factory that sits on only 370 acres. Earlier this year, Kwasi Kwarteng, the state's business minister, offered his support for a potential Tesla plant in the area. According to him, Somerset was a perfectly suitable location for a Tesla factory. While neither the UK government officials nor Tesla CEO Elon Musk has commented on the ongoing rumors about a new Tesla factory in the UK, the region has become one of the largest markets for Tesla EVs. In Tesla's first quarter deliveries for 2021, the automaker delivered over 7,300 electric vehicles in the UK alone. This translated to more EVs delivered there than in any other market in Europe. The UK market is expected to be more important for the automaker once the production of the right-hand drive Model Ys gains momentum. As electric cars gain popularity, Tesla is planning to increase the number of its already impressive lineup of production facilities in order to speed up the transition to clean and renewable energy. At the moment, Tesla has 5 gigafactories in total. 3, the Gigafactory Nevada, Gigafactory Buffalo, and Gigafactory Shanghai, are already active, producing electric vehicles. The Gigafactory Berlin and Gigafactory Texas are scheduled to start the production once their construction is completed at the end of this year. There has also been a plan by the automaker to build 1 Gigafactory in India and 1 in Russia. Bloomberg reported on Friday that Tesla was exploring plans to build a production hub in Russia. While appearing on a video link on Friday, Musk told a conference in Moscow that Tesla was considering Russia among the several countries where it could potentially build the next Gigafactory. As reported by Bloomberg, Tesla's chief executive officer reiterated the need for a dialogue between the United States and Russia, with the two nations beginning to renew their diplomatic relations languishing in the post-Cold War period. According to the 49-year-old billionaire and businessman, Russia has a lot of talent and energy which should be utilized appropriately for the benefits of its citizens. Musk noted that he had been invited to appear at a forum on Russian education in Moscow by Dmitry Peskov, the Kremlin spokesman. He added that he was a huge admirer of Russia because of the nation's great achievements. Nevertheless, earlier this year, Musk had a bizarre interaction with the Kremlin after tweeting at its official Twitter account in February, asking Russian President Vladimir Putin to join him for a public discussion on Clubhouse, an audio-based social network. A Kremlin spokesperson later said Mr. Musk had not answered follow-up questions about these suggestions. However, the US President Joe Biden is expected to meet his Russian counterpart next month. There is some hope for a possible thaw in relations between the two nations. Tesla will greatly benefit from this upcoming meeting, as it will help make it easier for the US-based EV maker to establish its presence in Russia. In a separate story, Tesla has once again increased Model 3 and Model Y prices. If you had ordered a Tesla Model Y or Tesla Model 3 earlier this week, count yourself lucky, as in the wee morning hours on Friday, the Palo Alto, California-based electric car maker bumped up the prices of both Model Y and Model 3 by $500. The latest round of price increases is Tesla's 7th price adjustments on its electric vehicles this year. As per Tesla's updated website, the Model 3 Standard Range Plus, Tesla's cheapest vehicle, now costs $39,990 before options like a white and black interior. The Model 3 long-range dual-motor all-wheel drive now costs $48,990 unless you go for the full self-driving suite, white seats, and Tesla's Level 2 driver assist technology, which will cost you an extra $10,000. Similar to the previous round of price increments earlier in May, the price of Model 3 Performance did not change. The vehicle still costs $56,990 before options. With the most recent price updates, the price of the Tesla Model Y long-range dual-motor all-wheel drive now starts from $51,990, up from $51,490. Just like the Model 3 Performance, the price of the Model Y Performance remained unchanged and stands at $60,990. As always, Tesla has not given any reasons for these price changes. The company does rely on PR to field requests for comments, so we don't know the exact answer as to why it continues to implement price adjustments every now and then. Tesla hasn't even followed traditional model year cycles, often updating its electric vehicle prices at a moment's notice. However, this year we have already witnessed more than 5 price increases compared to past years. One possible explanation for this year's frequent price updates could be attributed to the surging demand for EVs. The automaker could just be taking advantage of the high demand for its vehicles. The company may also be increasing the prices of its vehicles to pass along additional production costs to the end customers. We already know that the global semiconductor chip shortage is plaguing the auto industry, and so many automakers are using every method to meet their targets. Additionally, Tesla may be making frequent price adjustments on its cheapest Model 3 and Model Y in readiness for a new EV rebate coming in the United States. The price updates also highlight the need for the automaker to roll out EV production as soon as possible from its Gigafactory and Gigafactory Berlin. We have already mentioned before that Tesla is currently meeting the demand for its EVs with deliveries from the Gigafactory Shanghai and Fremont factory only. The delivery dates for the Model Y still remain extended due to the global chip shortage, battery and supply chain issues. However, we are hopeful that the car will hit the road before the year ends. It will be powered by higher density 4680 battery cells. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.